In this video, I'll introduce you to the world of Go, also known as Golang, and help you decide whether it's a good fit for your needs. We'll cover the language's basics, its benefits and drawbacks, and discuss whether you should invest time in learning it. Go has been gaining popularity in recent years, and understanding its unique features can help you make an informed decision. So, let's dive in. Go is an open source programming language developed by Google engineers in 2007. It was officially launched in 2009, and its primary goal is to provide a fast, efficient, and easy-to-use language for modern software development. It combines the efficiency of statically typed languages like C++ with the simplicity and readability of languages like Python. Here's a short Hello World code example in Go. You can really see the similarity to C++. In the industry, Go has become a popular choice for developing web applications, microservices, and distributed systems. Its focus on simplicity and performance has made it an attractive option for many developers. Some well-known organizations using Go include Google, Uber, Dropbox, and the Kubernetes project, which speaks to its versatility and reliability. Now, let's discuss some of the many benefits of using Go. Simplicity. Go's syntax is clean and straightforward, making it easy to learn and write code. This simplicity reduces the learning curve for newcomers and allows experienced developers to work more efficiently. Performance. Go is a compiled language with a strong focus on concurrent programming, resulting in fast execution and efficient resource utilization. This makes it ideal for large-scale applications with high performance requirements. Strong standard library. Go offers a comprehensive standard library that covers essential functions, making it easy to get started with various tasks without relying heavily on third-party libraries. Cross-platform compatibility. Go can be used across multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, and Linux. This versatility enables you to develop applications that cater to a wide range of users. Strong community support. With backing from Google and a growing community, Go offers extensive documentation and support. This makes it easier to find solutions and learn best practices. Like any programming language, there are bound to be some downsides. Let's go over the most prominent ones. A limited ecosystem. Although growing, Go's ecosystem is not as extensive as languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java. This may result in a lack of libraries or frameworks for specific use cases. No GUI support. Go lacks native GUI libraries, making it less suitable for desktop application development. If your primary focus is building desktop applications, other languages may be more appropriate. It's a young language. As a relatively new language, Go may not be the best choice for legacy systems or established projects that are already built on other languages. Additionally, some companies may still prefer more established languages for certain projects. The decision to learn Go depends on your goals, preferences, and the types of projects you're interested in working on. Here are some factors to consider when deciding whether to learn Go. The project requirements. If you're interested in developing high-performance web applications, microservices, or distributed systems, Go might be an excellent fit. Its focus on simplicity, performance, and concurrency makes it well suited for these types of projects. Language familiarity. If you have experience with statically typed languages like C++ or Java, you might find Go's syntax and features familiar, making the learning process smoother. On the other hand, if you're coming from a dynamically typed language like Python or JavaScript, Go's static typing and compiled nature may require some adjustment. Job opportunities. Go has been gaining popularity in the tech industry with more and more companies adopting it for their projects. Learning Go could potentially open up new job opportunities or help you stand out among other developers who don't have experience with the language. Personal interest. Lastly, personal interest plays a significant role in deciding whether to learn a new programming language. If Go's features and capabilities genuinely intrigue you, learning it might be an enjoyable and fulfilling experience, regardless of the specific projects or job opportunities it may bring. In conclusion, Go is a powerful and efficient programming language with a growing community and industry adoption. While it has its drawbacks, its benefits make it a strong contender in modern software development. Ultimately, whether you choose to learn Go depends on your individual goals and interests. If it aligns with your development needs, give it a try. You might just find it to be the perfect tool for your projects. As with any other programming language, the best way to understand Go's true potential is to dive in and start experimenting with it. Who knows, it might become your next go-to language for future projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned more about Go, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.